Now, uniform acceleration. A body has a uniform acceleration if it travels in a straight line and its velocity increases by equal amount in equal interval of time. So when do we can say that a body is in uniform acceleration? If the amount of velocity is changing at a particular rate. If the velocity is changing at a particular amount, then we can say that it is having an acceleration. So velocity is changing. So for example, here I have given a column. In this you can see velocity is given. Velocity in meter per second, 2 meter per second, 4 meter per second, 6 meter per second, 8 meter per second, 10 meter per second. Time taken for in first second it was 2 meter per second, second then 4 meter per second, third second it was 6 meter per second, fourth second it reaches 8 meter per second, and fifth second it reaches 10 meter per second. So here you can find that at each 1 second, at each 1 second there is an increase in velocity. The velocity of the object is increasing by 2 meter per second. See, in 1 to 2 seconds, what was the change in velocity? It has changed the velocity from 2 meter per second to 4 meter per second. And in this 2 and 3, in between second, 2 second and 3rd second, it has changed from 4 meter per second to 6 meter per second. And in 3rd second and 4th second, between 3rd second and 4th second, it has changed its velocity from 6 meter per second to 8 meter per second. That means in every 1 second the velocity is increasing. There is a change in velocity by 2 meter per second. So we know what is the equation for acceleration. So the equation for acceleration is A is equal to V minus U divided by T. So here, if you are taking this here, 4th and 5th second, what is the acceleration? Final velocity is 10 meter per second. And initial velocity is 8 meter per second. And time taken is 5 minus 4 is equal to 2 meter per second. Per second. Per second is equal to 2 meters per second square. So that is the acceleration. So here, if you are checking, in every 1 second there is a change in velocity, and that change in velocity is uniform. That change in velocity is same. So change in velocity in every time is 2 meter per second, again 2 meter per second, again 2 meter per second. So in every 1 second, 2 meter per second is increasing. So when we consider this, So 2 meter per second in 1 second. Again 2 meter per second in next second. So we can write acceleration. This acceleration is uniform, and here 2 meter per second. So 2 meter per second square is the acceleration. In every 1 second there is a change in velocity of 2 meter per second, and it is constant, so that we can say as uniform acceleration. In every 1 second acceleration is there. Okay, so uniformly it is changing. So there is a uniform acceleration. I think you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, contact me.